Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M51 and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and here let's tap on the settings. They should be in the left upper corner. Now let's scroll down and as you can see here we've got the video section and we can choose for what camera we want to change the video size. We can change it for the main camera and front camera. So let me pick for example the main camera and as you can see here we've got some options to choose from. We can choose the full option 1:1 or 16:9. Let me pick for example this one and as you can see now we can tap on resolution and here we've got also 3 options to choose from. So let me pick for example HD. As you can see it is immediately applied and from now on you will record videos in chosen quality. The same situation will be with the front video size. Simply tap on it, choose something, for example the same option and change the resolution. And the same situation, but as you can see the selected resolution doesn't support video effects, so that's okay if you are ready and if you want to stick with that resolution then simply leave it like this and from now on you will record videos in chosen quality. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy M51. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.